So I'm here with Rui. He just gave his talk. Can you give us a little bit of details about your talk?
Yeah, sure, Logan. So my talk is about creating an event-driven architecture with ODC. You know that we can create event-driven
Yes.
architecture. So yeah, that's great. And from my side, this is really exciting. Why? Because it's a feature that ODC delivers that sometimes it's left unknown by our community, our developers, and I really want to make these engaging and make these available and have everyone to use it.
Yeah. So as far as like creating event-driven architectures, how would event-driven architectures be different from like traditional development versus OutSystems development?
Okay, so in the traditional development world, you need a lot of stuff to have an event-driven architecture. So you have the event broker, you need to configure the topics, you need to configure the way the messages are going to travel back and forth. The way we see this in OutSystems, we as the low-code leaders, we want this to be very low-codish. So we are abstracting all that complexity from you, and you just need to trigger the event and consume, and boom, there you go.
Yeah, it's basically trying to make it as easy as possible for developers and not have to get into the weeds of event-driven architectures. So if I was a developer who was just learning about event-driven architectures in OutSystems, how would I approach that?
Well, it's really easy. In fact, you have to change the mindset because in an event-driven architecture, it's all about the interesting stuff that is happening, your system capturing and have that information being transmitted to the ones that are interested on dealing with that and consuming. So in my talk, I provide a set of patterns, best practices, and some pitfalls that you should avoid when you start building because an event-driven architecture is hard. Yeah. It's really hard, but OutSystems makes it easier for you.
That's awesome. Okay. Well, thank you so much, Rui. I appreciate you talking to me.
Thank you, Logan.
Yes, and we'll see you around.
Okay, see you.